Hi, today I have Realme GT6 and I want to show you how set mobile data limits on this device. First, open Settings application, in it Mobile Network and their data usage. Now we can set the mobile data limits. First step, we can set data usage limit. There we can set when our size type may be first day of each month. In this part we can turn on daily data usage limit and we can set in gigabytes, maybe for 5 gigabytes or megabytes, what you prefer. And there we can set what happen when we use it. We get only alert and we get alert and our mobile data will be turned off, maybe. And after you set it, we press done to confirm. And the same with monthly data usage. Turn on it, set it in custom number, and there we can set what happened. And the last part, new, we can turn on it and we can set when we get warming, when we used maybe 6 gigabytes from our old 10, and confirm all by done. And that's all. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.